Get going!
Team, we have a critical situation unfolding. Priority extraction required at the Savannah location. Send backup immediately.
The elephant is distressed. We need to divert the python immediately.
Reroute air support. We need a clear visual on the target area now. To the staging area. We need those supplies packed and ready to roll in 10 minutes.
Rescue 4. We have incoming casualties. Staging area needs to be clear in 10 mics.
045 degrees.
Move away from the elephant. Back off now.
Reroute traffic.
Check the seismic sensors. We're showing activity.
Map updated. Sending to field teams.
Rescue 1, we need immediate support. Elephant is down.
It's just over the ridge. We don't have much time. Understood. Team, follow me.
Keep the pressure high. We need more foam on the snake.
Watch the elephant. Keep straight. Moving to the head. Watch the trunk.
It's starting to slow down.
This will feel much better soon. Hold still for me.
Your team did excellent work.
Thank you. We couldn't have done it without your guidance.
Target secured. We're heading home.